Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter School. This is your science class, and in previous class we were discussing about the question and answers. So today we are going to start with the question number two. That is what helps them to breathe. You will see there is a different types of animals name is written here, and you have to recognize that what helps them to breathe. So first is a fish. Second one is a snake. Third one is a crane. D is an earthworm, E is a man, F is a banyan tree, and G is a caterpillar. So first is a fish. We all that know that gills helps fish to breathe in a water. The snake external nares, they are similar to nose in humans. So and they have external nares. It's not properly defined as an our nose, but it has external nares on the like top of their mouth, and they're similar to the human nose. A crane has a nostrils, okay, like us. An earthworm skin, an earthworm skin. They used to respire from their skin only. Earthworm. They don't have gills. They don't have external layers, neither nostrils. They used to exchange gases like that is O2, CO2 from their skin only. Man, we have nose for the breathing. A banyan tree, microscopic pores on the leaves. We discuss about this. How do plant do respiration through the pores which is present on the leaf. That is called the stomata. A caterpillar, tiny holes on their body known as spiracles. So caterpillar is also having tiny holes on their body, that is skin only, and that is called spiracles. So it is written as like this because spiracles is a special like a body feature which is present on the caterpillar for the breathing only. Question number three, fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. The process by which plant make their own food is called photosynthesis. To inhale dash and to exhale dash is called respiration. To inhale O2 is and to exhale CO2 is called respiration. Elimination of waste substances from body is called excretion. The ability to respond to an event is called dash to dash response. That is called response to touch. On completing their lifespan, every living thing dash oxygen dies excretion, carbon dioxide response in photosynthesis stimuli. On completing their lifespan, every living thing dies. Okay, so the answer is written here. Photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Elimination of waste substance from the body is called excretion. Ability to respond to an event is called responsiveness to stimuli. Okay. I told you responsibility to touch, but it's not. It's like a responsiveness to stimuli. On completing their lifespan, every living thing dies. Okay. Write the uses of these animals and plants. Animals, honeybees, sharks, yaks, sheep, earthworm, dogs, bivalves, horses, mice, plants में ginger, mango, eucalyptus, babul, teak, spinach, aloe vera, turmeric, holy basil, karanja, mulberry, and grapevine. So do you have to write the uses of these animals and the plants. So first of all, let's have a reading for the animals. Honeybee provide us with the honey and the wax. They also used to secrete wax. Okay, honeybee. Sharks used in medicines, cosmetics, pet products. Okay, what is the use of sharks? It is also used as a medicine. There is a like medicinal in their skin. There is a medicinal layer. Okay, cosmetics, pet products, etc. Yaks used for obtaining wool. Sheep wool and yak's wool is there. Sheep used for obtaining wool. Earthworm used in agriculture for composting. Vermicompost, this is popularly used as the vermicompost. And what is vermicompost? It's nothing. It's it's the secretion of earthworm in the soil, which is making rich soil for the fertilization. Dogs as pets, bivalves used as a source of food, horses for transportation, and mice as a pets and the models for testing various experiment. Yes, we will see in the most of the botanical lab or the geological lab, mice is used as the models for the various experiment, and it is also somewhere it is also used as the pets. Now the plants, ginger used in foods and it's also having a medicinal purpose, mango for obtaining fruits, eucalyptus for making paper and essential oils, babul, babul is used in the toothpaste and other medicinal purpose also, teak used in making furniture, spinach used as a food, aloe vera used for the cosmetic and medicinal purpose, turmeric used as a spice and for various medicinal purpose, holy basil, spiritual importance and for various medicinal purpose. Okay, and karanja, holy basil is I think this is called tulsi. Okay, because basil is a different plant, but that is not used for the spiritual. But what is used for the spiritual is a tulsi, which is same looks like a basil only. Karanja used for medicinal purpose like treating skin disease. More used for the medicinal purpose, mulberry for obtaining fruits, and grapevine for obtaining fruits and making wine. So these all are the uses of the few plants. There are different types of uses for the other plant also. This is like a few example from them. And animals are also having some uses. We all know that some living things are having their uses. So in by this from today we are going to end class here only. In next class we will discuss with the rest of the questions. So till the time, just keep revising all the points which have been already studied. Start noting down the question answer in your copy and start learning it. Learn bhi karna hai, and we'll meet in the next class. Till the time, take care and bye bye.